Okay, dear children, we have been learning multiplication of fractions and we completed addition and subtraction of fractions, how to add or how to subtract two or more fractions that we studied in our previous videos. And after that, next mathematical operation is multiplication. So multiplication of fractions. So in our previous video we learned multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. Yes, this we learned in our previous video. Before that we learned addition and subtraction of fractions. Now we are in multiplication of fractions. This case we studied, that is multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. So another case of multiplication of fractions, that is multiplication of a fraction by another fraction. What is the difference between these two cases? This is multiplication of a fraction by a whole number, but here is multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. So this we studied, that is 3 into 3 by 4. This is the case of multiplication of fractions. Type of the case is multiplication of a whole number by a fraction or multiplication of a fraction by whole number. This we learned. So another case, multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Here both the product fractions. Consider 3 by 4, 2 by 5. Multiply 3 by 4 by 2 by 5. Multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Clear? This is multiplication of a whole number by a fraction. Here it is, both are fractions. In this case, to multiply a fraction by a fraction, don't worry, multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Clear? That is 3 into 2 divided by 4 into 5. 4 into 5. Then simplify. 3 2 ja 6, 4 5 ja 20. Yes. So try to cancel it. Both are divisible by commonly 2. 2 3 ja 2, 10 ja 3 divided by 10. Yes or no? Or we can do in another way, that is 3 by 4 into 2 by 5. If there are any common factors in the numerator and denominator of both the fractions, try to cancel them. Yes, observe here, 2 and 4 have a common factor 2, means both are divisible by 2. So then you can cancel them, no problem. 2 1 ja 2, 2 ja. And 3 and 5 does not have any common factor other than 1. 3 and 2 also not have any common factor. So then in this case, multiply directly. 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 5, 10. Clear? Here also what we obtained? 3 by 10. Here also we obtained 3 by 10. Clear? Then take another example. 6 by 9 into 3 by 8. Yes, what is the product? We can do it in two ways. That is, first multiply numerator to numerator, then denominator to denominator. 6 into 3, 18, 9 into 8, 56. Sorry, 72. Both 18 and 72 have a common factor. Both are divisible by 3. 3 6 18. 3 2 6. For 7 1 remains. 12 becomes 3 4 ja. Yes or no? Then again these two are divisible by 3. 3 2 ja, 3 8 ja. So what remains on the numerator? 3. In the denominator it is 8. So the product of these two fractions is 3 divided by 8. Or you can do in this way also. Both 3 and 9 have a common factor. That is, both are divisible by 3. Cancel them. 3 1 ja, 3 3. Again 6 and 8 are, they have a common factor. That is, both are divisible by 2. 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja. Yes, then these three gets cancelled. 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja. What remains? 1 by 4. So something here wrong it is, dear children. Just a minute, I will come back. Okay, dear children, something was wrong. I did. So we will verify once again. 6 into 3, 18. 9 into 8, 72. Okay, then simplify it. So this is divisible by 3. 3 6 ja, 18. 3 2 ja, 6. For 7 1 remains 12. 3 4 ja. Okay, then again these two are divisible by 6 table. 6 1 ja, 6 4 ja. So what remains on the numerator? 1. In the denominator 4. So what is the product of these two fractions? 1 divided by 4. Or we can do it in shorthand form. That is 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. Okay. Then 2 4 ja, 2 3 ja. Again 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja. What remains in the numerator? Only 1. Find the product. 1 into 1, 1. What remains in the denominator? 1 and 4. Find the product. 1 into 4, 4. This is also 1 by 4. Clear? So this is about multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Clear? So dear children, just a minute, we will come back. Okay, dear children, we will deal another case of multiplication, that is multiplication of a fraction by a mixed fraction. Clear? Consider the example. 3 by 4 into, consider one mixed fraction, 2 whole 3 by 7. The question is, find the product. This is the multiplication of the type multiplication of a fraction by mixed fraction. So to multiply these two, first convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, and keeping this first fraction as this, 3 by 4 into 7 2 ja, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 divided by 7. Then multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. First case, multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Okay, that is 3 into 17. Now 3 into 17. What is the product? 17 into 3. 3 7 are 21. 3 1 are 3 plus 2 5. 51 divided by 4 into 7, 4 7 are 28. Or if it is 5 whole 1 by 6 into 3 by 7. This is same as multiplication of mixed fraction by fraction. So now in this case also we convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, then multiply both the fractions. So 6 5 are 30, 30 plus 1 31 divided by what is the denominator 6, keep that as it is, into 3 by 7. Okay, then multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, that is 31 into 3 93, 6 into 7 42. Write it in simplest form. 3 divides 4, 3 3 ja 9, 3 1 ja, yes, 3 1 ja 3, for 4 1 remains and this 2 12 becomes 3. How much is 12? 3 4 ja 12. So its answer is 31 divided by 14. Clear? So dear children, what we are learning? We are learning multiplication of fractions. In that we studied multiplication of fraction by whole number in our previous videos. So in this video we learned multiplication of a fraction by a fraction, and now multiplication of a fraction by a mixed fraction. So observe, write these examples and we shall move into the exercise which are related to this type of multiplication. So pause the video, write the examples. Okay, dear children, exercise 3.3. This is also related to multiplication of fractions of the type multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. Just what we learned from, based on that, this exercise. So now I am going to solve the first one. Second one is for your homework. See, the given question is we have to find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5, 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. This 1 by 4 is of 1 by 4 of is the one. This is related to A, B, C. For each we have to find 1 by 4 of each. Okay. So see the A1, first one. You should write 1 by 4 of, what is that? A 1 by 4. Yes. Don't worry. Use our earlier knowledge. Of means multiplication, and write the given fraction as it is. This is of the type multiplication of a fraction by a fraction now. So multiply numerator to numerator, 1 into 1, 1, denominator to denominator, 4 into 4, how much? 16. So 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 is how much? 1 by 16. And see this second one, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Yes, 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Obviously, write 1 by 4 as it is. Of represents multiplication, so write multiplication sign. 3 by 5. So multiplication of a fraction by fraction. Multiply numerator to numerator. 1 into 3, 3, 4 into 5, 4 5 are 20. Clear? For this one also we have to find 1 by 4 of that. That is 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. See, 1 by 4 of represents multiplication, 4 by 3. Okay? Then multiply. 1 by 4 in 1 into 4 is 4. 4 into 3 is 12. Simplify. 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja. 1 divided by 3. Clear? So dear children, write the solutions and do this one in your homework book. Okay, see here dear children. See the next question. Second one, multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. Okay. See the first one. This is multiplication of a fraction by a mixed fraction. No. So don't multiply directly. First convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Then multiply. That is 2 by 3 into 3 2 ja 6, 6 plus 2 8. Write that 8 on the numerator, keeping the denominator 3 as it is. Then this is multiplication of fraction by a fraction. Multiply numerator to numerator. That is 2 into 8 16. 3 into 3 9. Clear? Both 16 and 9 are not divisible by any table other than 1, so means this is in lowest form. Next, multiply numerator to numerator directly. 2 into 7 14, 7 into 9 63. Okay, then simplify it. 7 2 ja 7 9 ja. So what is the answer? 2 by 9. Or dear children, we can do it in another way. 2 by 7 into 7 by 9 is there, no? We can cancel here only. 7 1 ja 7 1 ja. Okay. Then 2 into 1 2, 1 into 9 9. So follow this method, or we can do cancellation in the same step or write the answer. Next, see this one. 3 by 8 into 6 by 4. Multiply numerator to numerator. 3 into 6. How much? 18. 8 into 4. 32. So both 18 and 32 are divisible by 6. First they divided by 3. 2 9 ja. 2 1 ja 2. 1 remains, 12 becomes 2 how much ja 12? 2 6. So now it is 9 divided by 16 is its lowest form. 9 divided by 6. So dear children, homework exercise 2.3 second one means this one. I solved first 3. You solve fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and seventh one. See those questions are there in your textbook. Okay. Pause the video. Write the solutions. Okay, dear children, see third one. Multiply the following fractions. Multiplication of a fraction by mixed fraction. So write this fraction as it is. Convert this into improper fraction. Put that multiplication sign as it is. 4 5 ja 20. 20 plus 1. 21 by 4. Multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 2 into 21 or 21 2 ja. How much? 42 divided by 5 into 4. 5 4 ja 20. Both 42 and 20 are divisible by 2. So cancel them by 2. 2 10 ja 2 2 ja 4. 2 how much ja 2 1 ja. So 21 divided by 10. Okay. See the next one. 5 6 ja 30. 30 plus 2. 32 by 5 into 7 by 9. Okay. Multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 32 into 7. What is the product? 32 into 7. 7 2 ja 14. 7 3 ja 21 plus 1 22. 224. Divide 8 by 5 9 ja how much? Multiply denominator to denominator. 5 9 ja 45. Okay, so now the product of these two fractions is 224 divided by 45. These two numerator and denominator are not divisible by any common factor other than 1, so this is its lowest form. So then see this one, 3 by 2 write as it is, put multiplication sign as it is. What do we do? Convert into improper fraction. 3 5 are 15, 15 plus 1 16 by 3. Okay, see what happens. Multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. 3 into 16, how much? 48. Then 2 into 3, 6. Then cancel it. 6 1 ja, 6 8 ja. 8 by 1 means 8. Clear? So dear children, I solved first one, second one and third one. You solve fourth one, fifth one, sixth one and seventh one. For these, refer textbook and write it in your homework book. Now pause the video, write the solutions. Okay, dear children, see this 8th one, that 4th one we'll solve later. After this we are going to solve. And 5th one, 5th main, 6th main, 7th one are deleted as per syllabus committee of Karnataka Secondary School Education Board. In this exercise, 5th one, 6th one and 7th questions are deleted. So this 4th one and 8th one are remained. Now we try to solve this 8th one. Later we'll solve that 4th question. Understood? Now see here. Provide the number in the box. Here the given one box, no? You have to write some number in that box such that 2 by 3 into dash is equal to 10 divided by 30. So in this box there is a fraction. This fraction has numerator and denominator. You multiply this fraction by a fraction such that product of these two fractions is equal to 10 by 30. Yes, how we will do this? Yes, 2 how much? 10. 2 into how much? 10. Obviously, and 2 is multiplied by 5. The product is 10. So what we should write on numerator? 2 5. Clear? Then multiply denominator, recall that. So 3 into how much? 30. Yes. To get 30, which number is multiplied by 3? That is, or 3 how much? 30. Just tell me if this is same as 3 10 ja 30. So what is the fraction in that box which was hide? Yes, now the fraction is 5 divided by 10 and we multiply this 5 by 10 by 2 by 3. What we obtain? 10 divided by 30. Clear? See here, the simplest form of the number obtained in box. What is the number obtained in the box? 5 by 10. No? What is its simplest form? What is its simplest form? As 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja. 1 by 2. No? So write 1 divided by 2. This is dash. No? Here we should write 1 divided by 2. Clear? So second one, that is say 8th one. In the same way, another one is the refer textbook. We will see the questions and do the same process. We will get the answer. Yes, pause the video, write the answer. Okay, dear children, the fourth one is this was I was left. Now we'll see which is greater, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 divided by 5 of 5 by 8. This thing is greater or this thing is greater. We have to decide. So now to find, to decide, to judge which is greater, we do some simplification. In mathematics, of represents multiplication. Okay, so this is same as 2 by 7 into of is multiplication. 3 by 4, right, as it is. Okay, so how to multiply these two? Multiply numerator to numerator. 3, 2 into 3, 6, 7 into 4, 28. Okay, so write it in simplest form. 2 3 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. So 3 divided by 14. Okay, then take this one. 3 by 5 of means multiplication. 5 divided by 8. Find the product. 3 5 ja, 15. 5 8 ja, 40. Simplify. 5 3 ja, 15. 5 8 ja, 3 divided by 8. So 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 is same as 3 by 14. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is 3 by 8. Now which is greater fraction? So now observe these two fractions have different denominators. In this case, it is not easy to judge which is greater fraction. So in exercise 1.1, 2.1, we solved such sums. Arrange the following in descending order now. We do the same process. First, convert the unlike fractions into like fractions by taking the denominators. So now find the LCM of 14 and 8. LCM of 14 and 8 of these two given fractions. So 14 and 8. What is the LCM? 2 7 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 1 ja, write 7 as it is, 7 1 ja, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 7 ja 56. It is the what? LCM. This is LCM of 14 and 8. Okay. So what is that? 56. Convert each fraction, the denominator of each fraction, into LCM. That is here 3 by 14 is equal to 3 by 14. We convert this denominator into 56. 14 how much? 56. To get 56, we multiply a number by 14, so that it becomes 56. What is that number? Obviously 14 4 ja, here 14 4 ja, 4 4 ja 16, 4 ja 4 plus 1 5. So we multiply it by 4 to get 56 now. So multiply it by 4 to both denominator as well as numerator. Then 3 into 4 how much? 12. 14 into 4 how much? 56. Here we multiply. Then take this one. 3 by 8. 3 by 8. We convert this denominator into 56. So 8 how much is 56? Obviously 7. 8 7 is 56. So multiply that 7 to both denominator as well as numerator. Then this is equal to 3 into 7 21. 8 into 7 56. So 12 by 56 is same as 3 by 14. 21 by 56 is same as 3 by 8. So now write the given two. 12 by 56 and here it is 21 by 56. In this case, both the fractions have same denominator. Yes, in the numerator, observe the numerator. Which is greater, 12 or 21? 21 is greater than this. This 21 by 56 is of which fraction? 3 divided by 8. Yes, no? This 3 divided by 8, initially it was 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So means which fraction is great? Which one is greater among these two? This is greater than this. Here observe here, 3 by 4 is same as 3 by 14 is same as 12 by 56. This 3 by 8 is same as 21 by 56. Here their denominators are same. So in the numerator, which is bigger numerator, no, that is the greater fraction. 21 is greater. So this fraction is greater than this fraction. This is originated from 3 by 8. This 3 by 8 is from this one. So this fraction is greater than this fraction. So how to write the answer? Answer is, we should write the answer like this. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Dear children, this we completed exercise 2.3. All the sums, some questions I given you to solve in your own, and this is first one, and do this second one. Follow the same procedure and do it as a homework. Okay? Bye.